Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Telegram account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and download the Telegram app. Afterwards, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and enter the Telegram app. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just enter your country code, which in my case this code. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the phone number. And after you enter the phone number, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just head out to click next. And what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you like a verification code and everything. And after you confirm or validate that this is your phone number, you're gonna move on to the next step, which is adding your profile info, your picture, name, last name, and all that. And if you want to add a bio as well, you can do that. And basically now you are inside the Telegram, and now everybody can have access to your Telegram, and you can create channels and chat with other people on Telegram. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.